In front of me is TCL 40R, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this icon of a camera and the photo, and tap on all of your photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, select Gallery. Click on them over here and choose Add at the top right corner. If you still can't find them, select Gallery, hit Folders, and look for your photos by choosing one of those apps. Clicking at the top left corner to pick one of those sources, or selecting Images and clicking on the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!